multiple cessnas out here. There's one out here in the backyard, curving back out towards the park. And here's another one flying diagonally over the street from next door 24162 towards 24181. He's doing tilts, left tilt, right tilt. He's a civilian. Left tilt, right tilt, left tilt, right tilt, left. Now he's leveled out like a normal person. Now he's doing a right tilt. Now he's turning right. He's just so happy to be in a plane that he does a little tilts for joy. Now he's doing a right circle and he's staying here. That's tremendous. So now front right, I see the front, now I see the right, and he's just over the tree at the 2-story house coming back towards my house. Pulse, little right, little left tilt, pulse, going over 24162, like flying into the garage, but up high, right tilt, left tilt, left tilt, left tilt, left tilt. He's still trying to pick up his sandwich. Left tilt, slight left tilt, right tilt, left tilt, going out over Olivera Street, right tilt, left tilt, right tilt, left tilt, right tilt, right tilt, pulse, left tilt, right, left, right tilt, left tilt, pulse. Now he's out over the park.